Welcome back. Now that you have registered your account, you have verified your account, let's go to the stage of investing in Nigerian stock using Chaka. So, when you come in here, what you want to do is to click on this login button and it will take you to login. So, you enter your Gmail, your password, and you sign in. Okay, now that you're logged in on the first page, this is what you see. You see the smart investment, you see the Chaka stock. For the smart investment, if you click on launch, it will open a portal for this. You are basically telling Chaka to do investment for them. You deposit, you select what you want them to invest on, and they will do the investment while you sit and watch whether your stock grows or not. However, they get a certain commission from this. Then the other option is for you to click on this Shaka stock. If you click on this launch equity stock, do it yourself. Invest in 4,000 US stock and Nigerian stock. So this is where we'll be using, and from here you'll be able to do it yourself. All you need to do is just to click on launch equity, and it will take you to the next page. So once you open it, you click on the investing yourself, you use the section I talked about. This is page, you will see it. It will talk about the smart investment. If you click here, it will take you to that smart investment where you want them to invest for you. You have on the top pane, you have the home, the portfolio. This is where the asset you have will be located. You have the wallet where you deposit both Naira and dollar depending on what stock you want to invest in. Dollar for foreign stock and Naira for local stock. And this one is your account. And then when you click on this, you want to log out from it. History, setting, and log out. The other thing we'll be looking at, if you look at this place, you have the global stock. You can check by country. Then you check by sector, depending on what sector you want to invest in. We are talking about the foreign ones here. You can see them. We have aviation, agriculture, commodity, and then these are the sectors you have. So depending on what sector you are looking for. Then the other one is, these are international stocks, foreign stock. You have MDB, PSL, BBO. You see them. This is the top performing stock as of the close of market yesterday, and the top losers. And then you can see all that. If you want to read their news, come to this side, you'll be able to read their news. So talking about Nigerian stock, we'll be using this way. You click on the local stock. For the local stock, you see Nigerian stock here, a popular stock, Afri. You see this one, you see Aiko, you see all of these. Top gainer as of the close of market yesterday, Ohando has been on fire. IMC, Etranet, you see this stock made roughly 10% yesterday. And then these were the top losers for yesterday. They are also listed here. Like I said, the dividend player, defensive healthcare, and all. So these are the stocks for Nigeria. So depending on what you want, you can then click on them from here, and then you make an arrangement. So like I said, if you also want to bookmark the stocks you like, you just need to click on the stars at the front of the tickers. They will be able to bookmark them. Let's take, for example, let's look at Ohando. You click on Ohando stock. From here, you can see the Ohando stock over the past 1 day. For 76, it jumped to roughly $84. And then you can see the statistics for the stock. These statistics range 5.6 was the lowest. You can see over the past 1 year from $5.6 to $84. That is massive. Imagine having invested 560,000 and you are getting over 8 million. You can imagine how much. This is the previous close of the market. You can see the statistics there. Then if you want to read about the stock or handle, you can read about them. Read about their finding. Then similar stocks. So this is where having a deposited money into your stock, like I said, want to use Ohando as a typical example. You can check the time frame, one month. You can see the 1 month. This asset was $27 past 1 month ago, and currently over $52 as of over 1 month. So let's see the past 1 year. Let's see the performance over the past 1 year. The stock was $10, 10 Naira around the 3rd of September last year, and today the stock is 52, 14th of August is 52 naira. So you can imagine the growth. Now, this is a very important section for us where you look at the buy. If you want to buy the stock now, all you need to do, you can see I didn't deposit money into this wallet. I've used my money for assets. You can see I have just 0.73 in my account. So there are two ways to buy this stock. You can see the market price is 84.5 naira. Number of shares you want to buy, you want to enter your number of shares. Let's say you want to buy 1,000 shares. You enter 1,000 shares here. The total amount for that 1,000 share estimated amount will display here. Also remember that there might be changes when you want to finally buy, because they will add commission to this amount. So in this way, if you are using the market order, you are basically buying the current price of the market. So with this, all you need to do is click on buy, and once you click on buy, it will load. You see insufficient fund, you have 0.2. Here is the breakdown. Transaction, you can see it shows there. You can see that it's showing a pre-order. You have a total a fee of 9,000 naira will be added. So just like I said, if you buy the market order, a fee will be added. Then if you go to limit order, let's say you don't want to buy at that 84.55 per stock, you want to buy it at a lower amount, and you don't have the time to keep washing. Let's say you want to buy it at 17 naira. All you need to do is to come to this price and you specify the amount you want to buy. Let's say 75. Let's say you want to buy 1,000 shares. You enter into this place, 1,000, and it will give you an estimate which is 75,000 naira. That means you want to buy it lower than its current price. However, remember that you make provision for, when you click on buy, you also make provision for the commission fee that will be used. That's the transaction fee. So these are the two ways you can buy your assets on the Chaka. So you can do the current market order, which is the current price, limit order, where you can decide where you want to buy, maybe lower than the current price. The other thing you want to do is you can go back. Let's see, like we said, local. You want to look at other stock. You want to look at other stock, local. You want to check sector. If you want to check sector, you can see that these are in foreign currency. So let's say top gainer, which are the top gainer. You click here to see the top gainer. You can see them here, different stocks and how much they have performed. So that is basically how to make use of Chaka. That is how to make use of Chaka. I wish you very good luck. And if this video is helpful to you, please do well to subscribe to our channel, follow us, and tell us what video you want us to do. We will be glad to help you. And also remember that make your proper research before you make your investment. If you are using any app to buy any stock, whether in Nigeria or foreign, be sure that the app is registered with Nigeria Stock Exchange so that you don't fall into the hand of scammers. Enjoy your time, invest wisely, and don't give your money out to any fraudulent people out there. Have a wonderful time. I hope to see you in our other videos. Bye.